This is the diaper teddy bear for a girl. I used 12 Pampers size 1 diapers on the body around, and then I put 4 on the inside of the circle, and I did them like a wheel. And then there is a receiving blanket that is folded to the size of the diaper, and then the head is 10 diapers like a wheel, and then 2 on the inside, but it's out a little ways to form the nose. And then there's a receiving blanket as well to match the width of the diapers. And then the feet are 2 diapers rolled up on each of the feet. There's 1 diaper on each of the hands and 1 diaper inside each of the ears. You get a very long ribbon, and you have to set the body on flat on the table and position the hands and the feet, and then you do the ribbon on just those, and the ribbon goes over the sock and then underneath the back, and then over it and back out to the next one. And you have to kind of start at the feet and you need to end at the head so that you have all the extra to tie the head on. That's kind of confusing how I said it, but hopefully it makes sense when I'm watching this again. And you have to paper clip them on the back so that it kind of helps to hold them in place. You see there's a paper clip here, and it's attached to the receiving blanket. Paper clip there, paper clip over here, up here, and then when you put the head on, you attach the head using paper clips. You can see the indentation where the nose is out. And then I have a washcloth here for its blanket, and I have a pacifier which I stuck in the very bottom fold in the diapers. I made the nose out of felt and the eyes out of felt, and I stuck them on with glue dots. The hat is just on the ear, not attached. I tied the remaining ribbon into a bow on the top of the head. And I believe that is it. It's a teddy bear.